What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. In typical Vic Scoop fashion, I forgot to do an intro and an outro for my most recent clips here. So what I got to show for you guys today is we headed to Lemont car show, and then right after that we went to a cool car meet where my brother's super friends kind of organized a little cruise to go there. So that was actually a nice turnout because some of my Z friends ended up showing up, and I took my buddy Nick for a ride. Always a good time. All the clips you guys are gonna see, of course, from this video though, they are gonna be from my GoPro 7 actually, because it was from a few days ago. So right now I'm actually recording on my GoPro 8 with that media mod, so you might notice a difference in quality there, but like I said, from now on everything's gonna be looking a lot better on this guy. I appreciate all the support on my platforms. Be sure to comment, like, and subscribe, and let's hop right into the video. Oh, fixer, okay. This is what's parked up next to me. This thing looks pretty nuts. A little comp turbo on there, bro. LS, okay. Can't compete, but looks good. 488 Spire. I don't know if they do that stock. That's sick. These things look sick. Look at the, oh, okay. He's got the window down so you can see in there. That's nice. It's almost like an MR2 Lamborghini kind of combo. A nice little GT3. He's got his window down too. Sweet. Ooh, that's sweet. Damn, dude, that thing's in there. This paint, boys, coming out so good. Look at this thing. Look at this thing's on wide view. It's so easy to capture it from close. I love it. Holy Nissan gang, bro. Off it up. Deep dishes, boys. Yeah, raw though. The drift builds. Let's go. Oh my god. Dude, there's 3 of them back here. Oh, look at that cannon on the back, dude. Oh my gosh. Fire. Damn. This guy slides, dude. Oh my god, this Audi TT. Holy. Yo. It's on bags, bro. Holy shit. The roof rack too. That's crazy. Good for you, man. You're not that fast. Yeah, well, you got a Supra. That's easy for you to say, bro. I don't know why these 4-cylinder 2.0s
Dude, I
be
love
banging.
The seat belts in these things, when you start it, it goes back.
Is that a Nismo shift knob? Yeah. Nice. Represent, dude. Oh, you guys can't see on camera. There you go. And this Mozzie, bro, already claimed one of these. I don't know if this is the same one. Is this a Ghibli? I handed him the Gap. So. Oh yeah, the C7 over there. We'll take a look. That's crazy. He's got a mini version of his car on the top. Soft top. the Supras out today. There we go. This guy's sitting nice, the Audi. This thing sits nice, bro. Nice. DE Love. DTI. Oh yeah. Woo, the M, bro. That thing's dope. This color is nuts, bro. This thing's sick. I love it. Damn. If you want, bro, but damn. Yeah, we got all the Supras out, man. Old man trying to take a picture will be nice. Look at that. These look sick. I like the navy blue. I think that's what I would rock. Navy blue's fire, bro. Dude, check this all out, though. We got a huge event. All right. Z-Fam again, bro. Stand style. Dude, they got their trunk setups done right. Halloween themed out here. Look at that. That's raw. Damn. My TL is like nothing compared to this. Dude, look at his interior. Oh my god, there's like cup holders that are LED lit. That's nuts. That's nuts, man. Holy. Look at this guy. Hey, there's the 60, bro. These things just look sick stock already. A little BRZ action. More Qs, bro. Damn, S2Ks, some Germans. I like these headlights. Fully stock, right?
Oh, Jack.
Oh, shit. Pop, pop, pop. Is that a Pro Charger?
No, that's the fucking,
it looks like a Pro Charger. I don't know shit, but I know some shit. This color is ridiculous, dude. It does come up on camera pretty good, I gotta say, for all these hypercrits. That's good, that's good. I love my EK. Oh, I thought I said X. That's
oh, fuck.
It's close, it's close. Does he have a hood exit too? Is he for real? Nah. Yeah, but he's got it protected in the front.
The endings. The endings.
Black and gold. Like the Audi over there. We'll take a look. Nuts. Marco, you made it to the vlog, bro. We're right here at the banquet hall.
We're by the front.
Oh, look who's here, bro.
What's up, baby?
We're all here, buddy.
Hey, bud.
Yo. There you
Pull
go.
up, pull up, pull up.
Check it out.
Pull up, pull up, pull up.
This thing's raw. I like these wheels a lot.
Yeah.
He's got a fat single. Yup. You got it, you got it. This thing looks very interesting with the headlights, but you know what we like. Nissan boys, dude. Oh, this whole lineup is pretty raw. Dang. All right, all right. Yeah, this color is pretty sick. Let's get in the light over here. I don't know if that's a wrap or not. That's sick. It's a wrap?
Yeah, it's definitely a wrap.
Damn. Oh shit. That step though. It's a wrap.
Oh.
Yeah, it's a wrap.
Got him, dude. Still looks nice though. He made it, boys. Little Z reunion. Oh, he's got a little Z shirt on. Little Z shirt on, bro. It's beautiful. I like it. Anything on the back? Nah, Nissan. Very basic. Very nice. Oh shit. Hit it with the light. Hit it with the light. Give me light.
It's a wrap?
It's a wrap, bro. This is my parking buddy at work every day, bro. It's beautiful. The vlog gets to take a nice look, bro. Hold up, hold up. The drift build. The Dos Tomes, bro. Nice little Cayman GT4 or whatever this thing is. No disrespect, I love it. I didn't know it was yours. It's even better. That's sick. Damn, bro. This is nice. I do agree. Too bad it's dark over here. I'll fix it. This is why I need the GoPro 10. That's funny. Little media mod. What's up, bud? Pat, man. Sparkly. I wish my paint was that good, dude. I wish. I don't know how you know from the front.
R32, R33.
Yeah. This plate is really interesting. I don't know what it is. You got it.
Mikey, where you?
Fat. Under the light. VIP spot. F company. Damn, we're about to head out. I noticed this guy in my rearview mirror. Got the Nismo wheels with me, bro. Nice. She spins with two people in, no problem.